Okay, so the C-notch cutout, it's cut on the frame. I already drilled in the holes for the bolts to hold in the support into the frame. I think they're a 1/2" bolt. It's with a 1/2" drill bit. Should be I suggest do a smaller hole and then work your way to a bigger hole. Best way is to probably have a C-clamp and have support that bracket for you. A lot of work. Took me a little bit to cut off wheels. Pretty thick frame on there. Oh man. And there it is. There's the cutout. These frames come with this hole. I'm sure if you use a big enough washer through the other side, it should be okay. It comes with the washer. The kit should come with the washer. You can use that one if you want, but I'd probably recommend the bigger one. Better support. So it's the cutout. So just put that bracket back on there. With the bump stop. Tighten it down. And there's your C-notch kit on the 2005 Chevy Silverado. I'm pretty sure it should work for any other models and years, but pretty easy step.